Hi everyone, my name is Bhavya and this is a presentation on the paper titled Farmers' Experience of Weed Management Under Conservation Agriculture, Insights from the Eastern Gangetic Plains of South Asia. Now the first question is why this is important, primarily for three reasons. Farmers' experience with herbicides under conservation agriculture based on sustainable intensification or CASI are largely undocumented in literature for the EGP. Some studies suggest that changes in herbicide-based weed management impact farmer perceptions about ZT and hence its uptake. Changes in weed management also reallocate labor division between genders, which further impacts its uptake, and this is why this study becomes important. So two research questions are addressed in this study. Number one, what are the farmer experiences and perceptions about herbicide-based weed management in the EGP? And what are the gender dynamics of herbicide use in the EGP? To answer the research questions, the data was collected through in-depth semi-structured interviews analyzed on reduced software using the decision-making Dartport framework, which focuses on four main resources, namely physical, financial, informational, and human resources across 6 levels. For the purpose of analysis, the paper classifies zero-tillage typologies into ZT adopters, ZT disusers, and ZT new users or progressors. As is seen here, the data was collected across 6 locations in 3 countries of the EGP, which is India, Nepal, and Bangladesh, and a total of 336 farmers were interviewed in the region and categorized into relevant typologies. The research findings are primarily 3. First is that herbicides are commonly used in the region for up to, in fact, a couple of decades in some study locations. We did see some negative perceptions around their use among the community, such as crop damage, stunted crop growth, reappearance of weeds, to name a few. But these were common among ZT disusers and progressing farmers, while ZT adopters/implementers reported time, cost, and labor benefits from herbicide use. Another research finding is that herbicide-based weed management is actually a male domain, mainly due to the perceived design of spray tanks that makes it heavier for women to carry on their backs, partly also because of the role gender norms play in restricting or confining women in the household. In conclusion, there is value in scaling up ZT by addressing perceptions around herbicide-based weed management. It is also known from other studies that scaling of ZT actually is a matter of changing perceptions than about the technology itself. In that light, it's important for the government to take extensive extension efforts to the last person in the village for correct dissemination of information on the technology, which will further impact its uptake. Thank you.